Lightcap. I'm your S.T.E.A.M teacher this year, in case you don't know me. It's going to be a different kind of year, but I'm really looking forward to it. We're going to have to get creative with the assignments that we do, but I think you're going to have fun and be surprised what you can come up with what you have at home. Let me tell you a little bit about me. This is my 14th year as a teacher at Willow Grove. I used to teach first grade and then third grade, and now I've got my dream job. I teach S.T.E.A.M. S.T.E.A.M stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math. So I like to think it's kind of everything. You need to know how to read, write, draw, bring your ideas to life, think, speak well. So that to me is kind of why in here my main goal is to make you makers. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. Let's see, I'll be married 10 years this December to my beautiful wife, Stephanie. I have 3 kids. My oldest is Lily. She's going into 3rd grade. She's 8. I have a 5-year-old named Daisy who's starting kindergarten, and a little boy who just turned 2, and his name is Cooper. You'll get to meet them probably at some point, maybe in a video, maybe live, in person, who knows? A little bit more about me. In the summertime, I do construction. I build decks and bathrooms and kitchens, stairs, roofing, siding, additions. So I kind of got my hands in all of that. At home, I have my own woodworking studio, and I like to make lots of things in there, tables and benches and cabinets, custom cabinets. Right now, I'm working on some pool cues for my friends. If you're interested in seeing any of the stuff that I've done, I have a whole bunch of YouTube videos that I posted during our last quarantine cycle last year. So you can check that out on my website. I'm going to talk to you a little bit now about what I mean by making stuff. I think people in this world need to know how to fix things, because how often does your car break, or the air conditioner in your house, or your heater, or anything small, maybe a dishwasher, and you have to call somebody to your house to come and fix it. Now, sometimes that's definitely the right way to go. But let me tell you, for most things around my house, I fix it. And I'll tell you, YouTube is a great resource. It really does help fix things that maybe you don't understand how to fix right away. But the cool part is when you take things apart and you're careful about it, you can learn a lot about how things work that maybe you didn't know before. I fixed in my house my pellet stove, my air conditioning. I installed a boiler myself. I fixed all my vehicles, including changing the oil, tire rotations, you name it, replacing axles. I think most people need to also learn, or at least try, to do some of those things themselves too. So the point of the class that I have with you is just to teach you and show you that you can do a lot more maybe than you think. So my assignment for you for this first week of school is to just draw a picture of yourself and show me 3 things about you that I don't know. Things that you like to do, things that you like to make, things that maybe you do with your mom and dad. Maybe your mom and dad like to fix things. Maybe your mom and dad might be a mechanic, or your grandpa or grandma. Maybe you know someone who's a woodworker, or someone who works in construction, or any other trade, plumber, electrician. Maybe one of your family members is an engineer, and they design and build things like bridges or tall buildings. That'd be something really cool for you to try to learn and talk to them about, and maybe you do something with them together, and that'd be fun. So tell me about yourself, and draw it in a picture. So have a picture of yourself, and then include 3 different things in that picture. More if you like, less if you really can't think of anything. But I'd like you to have 3 things that you really like to do. Maybe it's play with Legos. Maybe it's, build with Lego. I know, there's no S on Lego. Maybe you like to woodwork. Maybe you just like to play sports, like soccer or baseball or basketball. Maybe you're just really into playing video games. Maybe you love to read books. That's one of my favorite things to do. Tell me about it so I can learn about you, because I I have 300 students this year, actually more. So show me something about you that makes you special, because I know each of you are special and I really want to get to know you. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. And good luck with your first day of school. Take care, guys. See you soon.